What's the meaning of corn syrup? Corn syrup. Corn syrup.
Corn syrup. Corn syrup. Corn syrup is a type of sweet syrup made from cornstarch. It is widely used in food processing as a sweetener and thickener due to its low cost and high solubility. Corn syrup is composed mainly of glucose, a simple sugar that is easily absorbed by the body. However, excessive consumption of corn syrup has been linked to health problems such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Therefore, it is important to consume corn syrup in moderation and choose healthier sweeteners such as natural honey or maple syrup whenever possible.